Hello buddies, welcome back. It's Anne-Sophie and today I'm going to show you how you can hide your number on outgoing calls on your Samsung Galaxy S23. Maybe you just want to prank someone or you want it to be a surprise. To hide your number, you need to go to your little phone icon there and then go to these three little dots and go to settings. And when you're here, you have a lot of things you can do, but you want to go to supplementary services and go to show your caller ID. Right now it's a network default, so your number will be shown. You can also say never or always. We're gonna say never, so then your number won't be shown on your outgoing calls. It is that easy to hide your number on outgoing calls, but it is pretty hidden in that phone. Anyway, that's how you hide your number on your Samsung Galaxy S23. I hope you liked it. I hope it helped. If so, thumbs up, share and subscribe, and I hope to see you next time. Bye.